Hi, Dan Cagle of Foamaliers.com. We are making a hummingbird with flower arrangements and everything today for a lady, and it's going to be pretty. That's it. This is the picture of what we're going to be doing, and this is the carving as we go. We just did a repair on the edge of the nose, but as time progresses, you're going to see all this start rounding out. These wings will flip over, and I mean, they're really going to look nice. So anyways, this is what we're doing with this. Folks, I'm telling you, this is the easiest work on the planet. I don't know how to get it across to people. They say, oh, you do good work. No, you need to be doing the work, not me. I'm the one teaching you. And everybody's like, oh, I sure wish I could do that. That's why we made videos. That's the reason that we got books. All right? But the only way that you're going to learn and the only way you're going to change your life is to order these videos and say, I want the beginning one, and then I'll go to the medium, then I'll go to the professional. All right? The professional is where all the money is. All right? So what we want to do is, by the time this is done, this is going to be around $200. Okay? I've already done this in 25 minutes. My wife will come in, she'll put the flower there, she'll do whatever, and then the grassy knoll and everything underneath, and it's going to be absolutely gorgeous. Alright? So what we want to do is get it across to you. You need to go to Foamaliers.com. That's where you're going to get your information. We're on Twitter, we're on Facebook, you put it out there, we're on it, okay? So you need to go to this and see how this is done, because I show you step by step by step. I mean, how hard is it to sit here and round out, watch this, set him right over there, and round out his wing. Look at that. This is what causes these to be beautiful. Just getting rounder and rounder. Now, one of the things that we do, their wings are paper thin. They're not going to look like that. So here's one thing I can show you. This is a tip for you carvers out there that's already doing it and making money. I'm proud of you guys. You're showing me some beautiful work that you're doing. We just had a guy just made $2,300 doing a sailfish for a company. He's got enough work for 6 months off of this company. So believe me, this is where you want to go. All right, now see how this wing is, as thick as it is. Well, I want it to, I can't get it paper thin because it'll break. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come over here and I'm going to do about a 30-degree angle. Now watch what it does to the wing. It gives your mind, it fools your mind into thinking that this wing is very, very thin. Watch this. You saw how thick it was. It's already getting to be a little bit less. Now watch as I keep going to the edge. I'm going to do it again. And I want to bring it to the edge of this, the front edge of the wing. As close as I can get it. Let me come over this way. There you go. Now, it's still thick. But when you look at it this time, because it's cut at that angle, I figured this out years ago. And it's worked for me perfect ever since, so I'm not changing it for anybody. Alright, so there it is. Chop a little piece. Now look how thin it's getting. It looks real thin. As I continue to work with this will get super thin. I'm going to come down to this feather, actually, after I get so far. I'll show you here on the wing up here. Right to that edge. There you go. Look at that. Look at that edge. See? Looks super thin. But it's just because of the angle that I'm cutting. So that's a little tip from Dan Cagle with Foamaliers.com. I'm looking forward to hearing from you. And we do have a phone number, folks. You don't have to keep sending me emails. And emails don't make you money. What makes you money is communicating with me and saying, look, I saw your thing on there, and call the number and let's get this thing going, because I want to make $1 a minute like you do. All right? So have a great day. Don't forget, you got a foam alert if you want things done. All right? Scaring my wife going like this. She's afraid I'll throw it at her. Okay? But anyways, this is where we're going. Okay? Dan Cagle again, foamaliers.com.